Isang mapagpalang araw po sa atin lahat mga 5-9, para po ma-enhance po natin muli yung ating 11 general order. Subukan po natin kung kaya pa natin memorize. General order number 1, to take charge of, dispose and all company property in view, protect and preserve utmost and diligence. General order number 2, to walk with an alert manner during my tour of duty, observing everything that takes place with sight or hearing. 3, to report of all violation of regulation or order I am instructed to enforce. General order number 4, to relay all call from post more distance from the security house where I am stationed. 5, to quit my post only when properly relieved. 6, to receive, obey, and pass to the relieving guard all order from the company official officer, supervisor, post in charge, or ship leader. 7, to talk to no one except in the line of duty. 8, to sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. 9, to call a superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. 10, to salute all company official of the agency, ranking public official of the EEP and PNP. 11, to be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging, to challenge to all person on or near my post, no one to pass to allow without proper authority. God bless sa atin lahat mga kabady. Ingat tayo lagi sa ating duty. Mabuhay tayong lahat.